Farmers are always looking for ways to increase output while decreasing input.
And one of the players on the leading edge of the ag tech is robotic aviation company Hylio.
Hylio says that the operating cost is about a third or even a quarter of the amount compared to conventional tractors and seeding rigs.
Hylio Drones founder Arthur Erickson is here to tell us more. Welcome, Arthur.
Hello, StartEngine community, and welcome to our third raise on the platform following two very successful oversubscribed rounds. My name is Arthur Erickson. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hylio. Here at Hylio, we design, manufacture, and then provide autonomous crop treatment drones, aka ag drones, to food producers and agribusinesses around the world. Our ag drones are non-invasive and extremely precise, allowing our customers to apply treatments to their crops exactly where they need them, while avoiding drift, soil compaction, and other common issues that plague traditional methods. By reducing material input, our ag drones lower costs dramatically while being more sustainable for the farm and surrounding ecosystems. Thanks to their advanced artificial intelligence and high levels of automation, our swarms of ag drones force multiply the productivity of a single operator. Thanks to your support, we oversubscribed our previous two StartEngine rounds, and we used that capital to grow our business and become a powerful force in our industry. We launched a whole new generation of products, then we put those products into the hands of hundreds of farmers and operators across the country. We used their feedback to make our products more efficient, intuitive, and reliable.
They've been a fantastic partner, and I just can't stress enough the value of having someone domestic to call, and the guys at Hylio have been fantastic at that. Their customer support is second to none. And
I've done 2,000 acres of corn in the last couple weeks, and I go back and look at those jobs, and they're just like as if somebody came in there with the ground rig and did it with a 120-foot boom.
It's like texting one of your friends that has a drone business. It's close connection.
We proved that our systems could outperform the flagship products of our biggest competitors. We grew our team from this to this, which greatly increased our production and development capabilities, allowing us to deliver even better products to even more customers. We started working with some of the biggest agricultural companies in the world. We became the first company in the US to receive permission to swarm heavy lift drones, transforming possibilities for the entire industry. And we established a nationwide distribution and service network, which we continue to expand. We're back on the StartEngine platform to enlist your support to achieve our goal of becoming the world's leading provider of precision agriculture UAS technology. We plan to use these funds to launch exciting new products and technologies, including the Atlas, a titan of a drone that can carry up to 250 pounds of payload, making it one of the heaviest lifting drones in our industry. An intelligent and nimble sensor drone, Photon, which can not only provide powerful crop scouting capabilities to our agricultural customers, but also serve as a critical tool to emergency responders, law enforcement, military, and other operators. Powerful AI and machine learning-based tools for agronomic analysis and treatment optimization. And an autonomous refill recharge station called Acra, which eliminates the need for a human operator to perform payload and battery swaps. Finally achieving a completely hands-free workflow, unlocking exciting potential for scaling our technology. Now that we have our new factory up and running, we plan to aggressively grow our team and accelerate our production to 5,000 or more units per year. We also plan to expand our value proposition by creating a streamlined marketplace within our software to match farmers with operators, managing fleets, assets, and payments to offer better value to every player in the value chain. And we aim to secure strategic partnerships and licensing deals with established distributors and manufacturers, cementing Hylio's technology as critical infrastructure for any modern agriculture operation. With your help, we believe our technology can become the operating system for precision agriculture across the world, enabling millions of farmers to produce more food, easier, and at a fraction of the cost. At a time when it's more important than ever to know where your technology comes from and how it's being used, we're here to do right by our customers, our investors, and our team of hardworking Americans by adhering to our mission of feeding more people at lower costs. Please visit our StartEngine campaign page and make an investment in Hylio to become a stakeholder in the future of agriculture. Together, we'll take farming to the next level. Elevate your farm with Hylio.